Warm greetings to all. I'm happy to represent AGAPPE Diagnostics Limited to present a very unique program, which is the future of the coming generation. India is expected to be the global hub of diagnostic manufacturing industries within a short span of time by 2030 as per projections. Many states have already commenced medical devices parks, foreseeing indigenization and industry growth. Owing to the increase in medical awareness and path-breaking innovations, the industry demands more than 12,000 technical hands to fill in the job vacancies every year. Keeping this great opportunity in mind, we envisaged a 6-month Post Graduate Diploma program in medical diagnostics. The batch starts with 2 intakes, the summer batch and the winter batch from July and January onwards. We assure 100% placement for the students. This will be a 30 students batch which will be further increased. This is started in the name of our Founder Chairman Prof. Yohannan, who was a distinguished guru to millions of people in various spheres of life. It is named as AGAPPE GURUKUL on behalf of him. The beauty of the program is, this is the collaboration of 2 pioneers. AGAPPE Diagnostics Limited, the largest manufacturer of reagent and equipment in India, and Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology at Cochin. This is a 6-month course, government approved and accredited by ASAP. Don't miss this opportunity. Grab it. We are creating industry-ready people for medical diagnostics. Wish you all the best. Thank you.